All right, guys, we're walking a bad unit here. This one had a couple of dogs, and they just started renovating this one. So I'm gonna walk you through a unrenovated one and then a renovated one. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera so I'm not in the way here. This is number 10 of the flats. So this would be the living room, dining room over there. Got the kitchen. Got pantry. Got a little hallway here with like a linen closet. First bedroom. As you can tell there, it's where they had their bedroom, their bed up against. Got these old closet doors. This is another linen closet. It's the bathroom. It's pretty bad in shape. Got the back bedroom, which is a smaller bedroom. AC units on the windows. Pretty big closets. And now I'm going to take you over to a renovated one. Alright guys, here we are in a 2-bedroom, 1-bath flat. I'm going to turn the camera around and walk you through what this one looks like. This is the exact same copy as the unrenovated one. Alright, we walk in. We did agreeable gray on the walls. We did LVP flooring, which is like a lifetime flooring. They got that transition strip that they're gonna replace. They got the wrong color. But other than that, the cover's pretty good. There's a little bit of a gap right there, about an inch gap that goes up. Did the molding on the top. The paint actually is pretty good. Here's the kitchen. Did granite on the kitchens. These kitchens are kind of tight, but you know, we gotta do what we gotta do. They painted the cabinets inside and out, put new hardware on it. We got new appliances coming in. We got granite. Got the nice 2-bowl sink. Got a nice faucet. There's a big pantry. It's pretty good. You walk over here to the hallway. You got a laundry closet or a hallway closet with a toilet in it. Yeah. Nice bedroom. These windows are all going to get replaced, by the way. We're just waiting on them. They're about 10 weeks out. Nice closets, nice fans, all new switches, outlets. Again, flooring. Again, we're replacing that transition strip. This is the other bedroom. With a nice fan in it and everything, new hardware. Bathroom. It's not 100% done. They've got to install the toilet, obviously, but they redid the shower. New tub spout and handles. New light fixture. New vanity. And lifetime floor. That's it. We've got 5 of these units ready and another 4 about 90% ready. So we'll be hitting 10 in about a month and a half. It's pretty good. So stay tuned for more and we'll keep you updated.